The rich blank known to be very powerful. Is it A, is, B, are, C, was, or D, were? The correct answer for question number 1 is letter B. That is are. Bakit po are? The rich are known to be very powerful. Sir, hindi ba is lang yan? Hindi ba dapat singular lang? Hindi po, no? Kasi po, si rich, ano po bang part of speech si rich? Yung word na rich, R-I-C-H. It's actually it's supposed to be an adjective po, no? The part of speech is supposed to be an adjective. However, ano pong function niya sa pangungusap natin? Ano pong function niya sa sentence? It functions as a noun, right? It functions as a noun. And ang grammar rule po natin, napaka-importante po na kapag nakakita tayo ng mga adjectival nouns, so meaning to say, these are adjectives that functions as a noun. They are considered as a plural. Okay? So, ibig sabihin sa subject-verb agreement, kapag plural ang subject, right? Plural din si verb. Ayan. May tumpak yehey na. Number 1 pa lang. Very good. And dun po sa mga nagkamali, okay lang yan. It's still number 1. And sabi nga po, sa Gurong Pinoy, okay? So, okay lang magkamali, no? Wag lang sa board exam.